Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress plugin from scratch. First, you'll learn the fundamental file structure. Then, we'll create the main plugin file, adding crucial header details. Finally, I'll show you how to activate your new plugin directly from the WordPress admin dashboard. This easy guide will get you started quickly. Now, let's dive into adding functionality. You'll write PHP code to implement your desired custom features. We'll explore using WordPress hooks, such as actions and filters, which are essential for integration. Remember to test your plugin's functionality thoroughly in a development environment to ensure everything works as expected. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, just like a well-coded plugin makes your site run smoothly, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum upgrades your clean game effortlessly. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Adhering to best practices is crucial for a robust plugin. Always follow WordPress coding standards for maintainable and secure code. It's vital to sanitize and validate all user input to prevent common security vulnerabilities. Also, consider internationalization to make your plugin accessible to a wider global audience. These steps ensure quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.